Hi everyone. So today let us download Ollama and bring a basic model up and running in our local machine. This will be for the Windows machine, and we'll be just doing a sanity. The recommended RAM would be 8 GB at least, bare minimum. And if you have a GPU dedicated, which will be an add-on. Yeah, 8 to 16 would be better. 16 would be much better. So when you click on this download button, we'll get a Ollama setup.exe file downloaded. Now let's navigate to the Ollama setup and start installing it. Once this pop-up comes in, click on install. It will start automatically installing the Ollama and the necessary plugins. Once the installation is completed, we will start seeing the Ollama coming up. Currently, we don't have any models, so this is how it will be. The models are being loaded. Let us check the Ollama version. Let's check the version. We have to use Ollama hyphen version to check it. The now we see the Ollama version which is installed in this machine is 0.14.3. Now let us check the Ollama service. So this is to see what are all the models that are being currently run in this machine. As of now, we don't have any models downloaded, so this is all empty. Now let us download one of the Ollama versions, which is Llama 3.2. Ollama. Pull for that, we need to use the command Ollama pull LLAMA. This is the model name. 3.2 is the version which we are going to pull now. Now the particular model is being pulled, and you can see the progress here. It is being downloaded. Yeah, we got a success after the Ollama has been pulled. Now let us see if the model has been loaded here. Yeah, we'll come back to this one on why the model is not yet reflecting here. But yeah, however, to check if the Ollama has been downloaded successfully, let us see the version. To see the version, we have to type Ollama ls, or we'll just basically list the models instead. Yeah, the model is now listed, and we have Ollama 3.2, which is the latest, which is of 2 GB size. It has been downloaded and it is being executed in this ID. Now let us run this particular model from command prompt itself. Run LLAML 3.2. Yeah. Now you could see the model is up and running, and now we can send messages to the model to see its response. Let me send a hi. Just sanity. Yeah. This is like one of the lower models, so yeah, sometimes it might give irrelevant responses. That's fine. However, like our motive was to install Llama and run a model in it. Now it's up and running. Let me let me stop it. To stop it, we can say by our control T. Yeah, I've stopped the model. That's all. Thank you.